Hello, everyone. This is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries, and Samantha is here with us today. We're going to show you our brand new Element Series laminator. This particular model is our 27-inch. It is made right here in our factory in Wabash, Indiana. The series also offers a 40-inch. The laminators are the same, they're just different widths. Today we're looking at the Element Professional 27-inch. There are 3 versions of each size of this machine, and we'll go through a couple of the differences as we go along. This machine does have a front safety shield, an auto shut off after 2 hours, a digital LED display, and it does come with our standard dry lam warranty, which is 1 year parts and 90 days on labor. That covers any manufacturing defects. The 27-inch models are also available with a system or a kit that will include the steel mobile cart that we have this one on, 4 rolls of gloss film, and also a cleaning kit. So real quick, let's run this one and we'll show you some of the features as we go along. Like I said, this is the professional model. There's a standard, a deluxe, and a professional. This unit does have, there's the safety shield in the front. Let's just keep your fingers from getting burned. And there is fans on this model that are behind the film to cool it as the film comes out the back. And that's what the red button is there on the side. Turns the fans off and on. They are very quiet and they only run when the rollers are running. Orange rollers are your heated roller elements. This machine will do 1.5 mil up to 10 mil on this one. The other models will only go up to 3 mil or 5 mil depending on which version you're looking at. This is a 9 foot per minute speed. This is a variable speed on the professional and deluxe models. The standard models are going to be 3 feet per minute, and that is a fixed speed on that particular unit. This unit will take a 1-inch core. The 40-inch models will do a 1-inch or a 3-inch core film. Laminating thickness up to 3/16 of an inch. And temperature range on all of the units is 230 degrees up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. These are standard 110 volt. We're going to let somebody in here into our meeting. Sorry for the pause. All right, there's Will. So yeah, these are standard 110 volt models that will just plug into your wall. So let's run this real quick. Samantha's going to turn it here so we can see it a little bit better. There are tension knobs at the top and the bottom to tension your film. We've already got those preset. We have a poster here that we're going to run through. We just unrolled it though, so it's still got a little bit of a curve to it. So we're going to straighten it out here a little bit. And this is your display. Pretty straightforward. I know you can't see that very well because of the glare. Just your basic run, stop, your temperature controls, speed controls, and your hot and cold buttons. This model does have a warm-up time, and all the Element series do have a warm-up time of about 12 minutes, which is pretty accurate. We didn't time it to the second, but it is running right around 10 to 12 minutes. And it is just this one. This is the 27-inch. It does do, I believe, 25-inch film as well. Just a standard laminator. And it came unplugged. Fix on the fly. But you just turn it, that's how easy it really is though, is she just plugged it back in and hit the button and it pulled it right back through without a problem. Any questions? Some of the additional features on the larger models, the professional model that we're looking at here does have the cooling fans. We talked about that. It also has a built-in horizontal trimmer on the back so that you can trim from just side to side. Again, the professional model up to 10 mil and 1 inch or 3 inch core for the 40 inch wide. We'll just run the second one through real quick. And this is the standard speed. We didn't mess with it or adjust it at all. This is just on the default 230 volt, or the 230 degrees. Depending on what kind of substrate you're using, how thick your paper is, how thick your laminate is, you can adjust that speed and the temperature to give you a nice crystal clear laminate on the other side. This machine is brand new, so brand new that it's not even available yet. We're looking to have these available probably at the end of the fourth quarter, so towards the end of the year. This one is a demo model that we stole from the floor just to show everybody. Any other questions? Anybody want to see anything else?
Can you hear me, Amanda?
I can, John.
Yeah, I'm just curious. So the film sizes that this will take are then 25 and 27 with a 1 inch core. Is that right?
That's correct for the 27 inch width. Yes.
Okay, that's all I wanted. Thanks.
And Tammy did ask, how do you cut on the back? So we'll show you the cutter. Flipping around a little bit here. We love this cart, by the way. This is the cart that comes with the system. This is your horizontal cutter. It's just a rotary blade mounted on a rail on the back.
Yeah, it has to stay on the left side.
It does have to stay on the, it would be the left looking at it this way. If you try to run the machine with it on the right, like we did yesterday, it doesn't work because the cutter doesn't stay out of the way of the film. If you're using shorter film, it would. But when you're using the width of the machine like that, you do have to have the cutter on the left side. All right, well, that's all we have to show you today. More information will be forthcoming and more videos on these machines as we start to ramp up build and production. If you have any questions or need any other information, you can always email us, info@martinyale.com, or you can reach us at 800-225-5644, or please go take a look at our brand new website for dry lam. It is drylam.com. Everybody have a good afternoon.